My name is Gaby and I'm from the UK originally, from Wales. I'm really interested in photography, especially portraits and social justice. Photography is not just lifting up my own voice, it's lifting up the voices of all the people around me.
I like it.
Immigration is definitely something that has deeply affected me, being an immigrant, and that's why for this project I want to focus on the white privilege people like me and my friend Summer have, and the massive gap between what we're experiencing and what immigrants of colour are experiencing. Summer is French.
I know I am very lucky because I am white to not maybe seem like an immigrant. Most people won't pick me off the street and know that I'm not from here.
Wow, you look fabulous. Isa and Alexi are both Colombian and Greek.
Definitely makes me think about if I am really welcome here.
One more time, I think I missed it.
We're all immigrants, so it's just how recent of an immigrant are you?
Every person other than Native Americans were immigrants at some point.
And then I'm going to move out a little bit more so I can see Los Angeles behind you. There were a couple parts of symbolism I wanted to bring into the photos today, and I'm thinking how being an immigrant is all about your background. So I thought it'd be really interesting to bring in this big white backdrop and take away their background. And then just behind them in most of the shots, I have this tiny peak of Los Angeles. You can still see that we are this community and we are here, but we stand on our own. The item you said you brought was your necklace, right? And then I asked everyone that modeled to bring a couple things with them that tied them back to where they're from.
It was passed down from my grandma to my mother, and then now it's mine.
These people I hold so near and dear to my heart are immigrants and children of immigrants. Samara's Trinidadian.
There's so much beauty in diversity, so people should be celebrating it. And I think just trying to stay positive no matter what is ultimately like what's gonna help everyone get through this.
Can I have a little bit more gold, thank you? I plan to spread good through my photography, and I hope that getting to see these photos starts a conversation. But I think it's really important every chance we get to try and open other people's minds to why people being different and diverse is a positive thing. This looks awkward as hell, but we're just gonna roll with it for a second. On top of that, I love how diverse my friend group is and how different we all are.